I will start the recording, and Angad, give me the remote control. So today we are going to play with our names. Okay, so the alphabet of our names. So let's take for example, right now I'm controlling for Angad machine. So let's recollect. We have something known as sprite. So we'll go to the sprite, and for your name, you can pick your own alphabets. Okay, we'll go to letters, and we are going to put A. A is there. Then,
I actually had the idea of that.
wow, you had. Okay, then
Yes,
you can
but I
also,
didn't do it.
okay, but then you can do with your own name. Okay, all right. Riman, you are able to follow?
Yes, uncle.
Okay, then after this, I'll come to your machine. Okay, and so you can have your own letters selected, Riman. So what we are doing, we are selecting the letters of your name. Okay, and then we'll play with these letters and we'll make it look good. Angad, let me control it. So now let's place the letters of Angad one next to each other. Now only one letter is left. Sarish, can you also do on your machine the same thing? You can go to the website scratch.mit.edu. Okay. So we have got all the letters of Angad name. Riman, do you have it for yourself also?
Yes, uncle.
Okay. Now can you share your screen?
Okay, uncle.
Okay. Angad, you have to stop sharing so that Riman can share his screen.
Sir, I did stop sharing.
Thank you, Angad. So I'm just waiting for Riman to share his screen now.
Okay, uncle. Oh, uncle shared.
Very good. So now let's do something else, Riman. Since you have taken the same blocks, right?
Yeah.
Can you delete one or two of those? Let's delete one or two letters from here.
Okay.
We will, yeah, let's delete one or two, whichever you don't want. Okay, and then do choose a sprite. Go to letters and scroll down. Select a different one. Select a glow A, yes. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . So why I'm asking you is this way. No, don't select the same one. Delete that. Scroll down. Keep on scrolling to the bottom. Yeah, select a different one, different alphabet.
Sir, 1 minute. I'm putting my letters.
Okay. Now let's put it in a sequence. Okay, the way your name is.
Sir, how do we go on the letters thing?
So yeah, so Riemann can show it to you. So if you will have something known as sprite. Riemann, can you show it to him again? How you got it over here?
But how do we drag the letters?
Yes, that also Riemann will show you. So letters, you know from where to get the letters now, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so dragging of letters is you just have to place your mouse on it.
We go on the letters one.
Okay, can you share your screen, Sorish?
Yeah.
Riemann, you have to.
Sir, somebody other is sharing its screen and it's showing.
Yeah, Riemann has to stop sharing so that you can share, Sorish.
Uncle, stop.
Yes, Sorish, I'm waiting for you to share your screen.
Yeah, share screen.
Yes.
Alert test you can also do.
Sir, I'll tell him.
There would be a green button by name share screen.
I shared the screen.
But I cannot see your screen, in fact.
I shared it. Do you...
There would be coming whiteboard, iPad, and one would be screen one. You have to go to the screen one.
I went to that only.
Okay, can you request someone else in your house to come and check?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Meanwhile, others, just make sure you're able to select the letters of your name.
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me, please.
I also did it.
Very nice. Okay, then I'll come to you also to share your screen after some time, okay?
Okay.
Sir, I know how to drag the letters.
Sir,
Yes.
my name doesn't fit on the screen.
Okay, then we have to reduce the size of those alphabets, right? Remember, we have size over
Okay.
there.
Yeah.
पापा जल्दी भाग जाओ जल्दी भाग जाओ पापा जल्दी भाग जाओ अच्छा आएगा
Hi, Rakesh.
Hey, how are you?
Doing good, man. Yeah, thank you for sharing his screen.
Now
Okay.
your screen is visible, okay?
Okay. Now, just give me a request remote control.
Yeah, approve.
approve
Okay. Now you have these sprites, right? So let's delete. Wait 1 second.
sprite yes
Can you delete this sprite? The cat, what is there? Can you delete that?
how to
There would be a delete button at the bottom.
how I can't see it
Can you request your father to come back again?
delete करनी होगी मेरी
This one?
no this cat
So Rakesh, when you select the cat, right, on the bottom right, there would be something known as delete as such on the right hand side.
Let me see.
It will be
Somewhere over here at the bottom, because I'm not, yes. So let's delete this sprite and then click on choose sprite.
Choose sprite.
On I just circle that.
Okay.
Choose sprite, then go to letters,
Here.
and then we have to select the letters, okay,
Of
starting
my
with name as such. So if
My
you can
name,
still,
I have wrote my name. I've already done my name. Use sprite. Letters. Like that. I've already done my name. Drag it. Papa, we have to drag that thing.
he is also a very smart guy, huh? Okay. All right. So let me now go back to Rieman's screen, okay? If you can stop sharing. Yeah, Riemann, you can now share your screen.
Papa, I got it. I got it.
Okay, Riemann, now show me what all things you have done.
Can we choose a backdrop?
We will do it later as such, okay? So first, what we will do, Riemann, let's select the letter H. In the sprite, let's select the letter H. Let's select this. Yeah. Now I want you guys to think, what do you want to do with letter H? For example, with letter H, I wanted to change the color. Okay. Go to looks. And there would be something, scroll down. There was something called as change. Okay, scroll up a bit. Change color. Okay, let's drag and drop the change color.
Sir,
This
I've
one.
written my name.
Let's drag and drop change color. Okay, and let's click on that change color. Just just click on let it be change color and just click on that particular thing. Now the change color is changing, right? Click on it again. Keep on clicking. Okay. Now let's put this change color in a forever loop. Okay. So go to control and put it in forever. And now just click on the forever just to see the effect of it. Okay, so now with letter H, we have done changing of color. With me, everyone? Now let's look into letter I. Select I over here, okay. With I, what I'm thinking, Riemann, go to motion. With I, we will do some dancing, okay. So we will say turn degree, turn, again to the next turn. So we will say turn 15 degree right and then turn minus 15. The next one would be minus 15. Okay, and give a weight between these two. So go back to control and give a weight of 0.5 second between these two. And let's put this also in a forever loop. And let's now click over here and see how it looks like. Okay. Now what we need to do, let's stop this. Click on the red one. Now let's make some space between these characters, right? Now let's move them as such.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, when my screen I want to share, can I please have the control?
Let me first do it with Riemann. Okay, then I'll come back to you. But are you also doing the same thing, Angad?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, but I'm going to do a little different. I'm going to go to sounds and do my recording.
Okay, you can do that also. Okay. Now
Yeah.
let's think about letter R. Okay. Now in R, what we will do, we will make it jump up and then down. Okay. Now to do that, let's go to motion again. And let's, can you drag and go to R and just drag it up? Just drag this R up. Okay, and just wait it over there. Then go over here.
Yeah.
Just scroll up. Just scroll. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Just scroll up. There is something known as glide. Okay. Yeah, glide. Yeah. Then after that, bring this R down over here. Okay. Again, go to glide and drag and drop. And put a weight between these two blocks. And put this also in a forever loop. And let's see how it looks like. Okay. Sagarika, you are following?
Yes.
Okay. Are you also doing same thing or just looking at it?
No, I'm doing the same thing.
Okay. So
Sir, are you speaking?
yes, Angad, I am speaking. Okay. So Riemann, any questions so far?
No. No, sir.
Okay. Now,
Excuse me.
yes, tell me.
How did you change the color?
Okay.
From
So yeah, sure. Riemann, can you select letter H? Yeah. So we had a block by name change color, which is there in the looks. So if you go to looks,
Okay.
okay, and then you can drag and drop that particular block.
Okay.
Okay. So let's proceed. Now with letter M, we will give it an effect. Okay. Go back to looks. And let's do something known as scroll down. Let's scroll down.
But
We will say
I don't see change color even when I put H.
even when you have to put it in a forever loop. Have you put that in forever loop?
Everyone, I can't hear none of you. But the orange color is good.
Okay. Just drag and drop this particular block, Riemann, and click on the drop down.
Yeah.
Yes, just click on the drop down over here. There's a drop down over here, right? This place. Yeah. Now select. Let's just select ghost. Okay. Then again drag and drop the same thing. Select ghost again over there. And make -25 now.
Done.
Yes. Now just click on there and see what effect you are getting. You have to put a weight in between.
Okay.
Okay. Now click.
Can we add other sprites for
Yes.
fun so
Yes,
that
we will. Yeah, we will add it once, since your name
just
is
not
shorter.
letters?
Yes. So once we will have letters, then we will have other sprites also. Okay. Right. So
I
let's.
already have letters.
Yes, but you can also change something with respect to letters. For every letter, we are changing something now. Correct? Let's do one thing. Put all of this in forever loop.
Okay. Whatever.
And now just click on that forever. So now it is glowing as such, right? Your letter M,
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah.
All right. Now let's go back to letter A.
A.
With A, we will do something where it is size is going up and going down. Okay, it's becoming bigger and it is becoming smaller.
Okay.
Okay, so we will go back to looks and change size, select change size. Okay, then again select change size. So we'll do change size 10, change size minus 10, and we will put a weight in between. And let's see how it looks like. Just click on that. Okay, all right. And now put this also in forever loop. And let's go to the last one, which is letter N.
It didn't work for me.
Uh, please tell me what did not work.
The forever loop.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Okay.
Stop sharing.
Okay. Okay, Ridan, I'm waiting for you to share your screen.
Um.
Hello.
Fine. I've never tried it here.
No problem. So there would be a sharing button over there. Share
Yeah,
screen.
right. Actually, I'm able to see a whiteboard screen.
Yeah, you have to select screen then.
Yeah, and after that, okay, share.
There would be
Fine.
button, yeah, share as such.
Okay, got it.
Okay. All right, Ridan. So what was your question, Ridan? You are not able to. Yeah, please tell me your question.
How? But
So you want to change the color of one of these letters?
no, the forever loop doesn't work for me.
Okay, but where have you added that forever loop? Can you show me?
For I did it for N.
Okay, let's go to N. So where you have done that? Let's open the code for letter N.
Okay. But for some reason I can't go down.
Okay, so you have to scroll down on the right hand side where the letters are at the bottom right.
No, I want N, the letter N. Need to go to that and then click on.
Okay, so can you give me the remote control?
Yeah.
Okay, if you can give me the remote control. So we are going to now change the color of letter N. So how we do that? We go to looks. Okay. Then over here, we will have an option, change color. So we will drag and drop that. Okay. And then we'll go to control. We'll have forever. So now if I click on this, it's the color start changing, right?
Whoa.
Okay. So we have to add these blocks over here. Similarly, now if I
No time for chatting. And please mute that.
Now, if I look at letter R, okay, so let's do something with letter R now. So for letter R, let's go.
Sir, I'm going to come in a minute.
Okay, thank you, Angad. Okay. For letter R, we are going to change the size of letter R. Okay, so we'll say change size by 10. Then again change size by -10, because we are going to make it grow big and then become small. Then we'll say wait for 1 second before we change the size. Make it first big, then make it small, and do this activity forever. So now let's look at how R looks like, okay? So you can see the R as such, okay? And then we'll also do a wait over here. Now let's look over here. Okay, so this is how we do the block coding to change the letters. So over here, we are making it big and small. For the letter N, we change the color. Okay. All right. Riman, can you share your screen again? Ridan, you have to stop sharing.
Okay.
It's my turn to share.
Let me first complete with Riman, then I'll come back to you.
But how do I stop sharing the screen?
There would be a button which says stop share.
I click on that.
Okay. Thank you. Now let's wait for Riman to share the screen. Riman, you there or not? Yes, you are there. Okay. Now we were left with letter N, correct? Now let's select letter N and go back to looks. For letter N, scroll down. We will, no, just scroll down. What we will do, we will just show and hide that letter, okay? So first say show. Then we'll wait for 1 second. Then we'll say hide.
Sir, did you hear a noise?
Yes, there was a lot of noise. Who is making noise, Sangat? And let's put this in a forever loop.
It wasn't me, sir.
Now let's click on it and see how it looks like. It's not working. Okay, do one thing. After hide, also put 1 second. Okay, all right. Now we have to do this all together. So for each of these blocks, we will go and put in the control, or go to events now. Go to events now. At the very top, we'll put the green
Excuse
flag.
me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Where is the forever? But look in the control.
Forever, yes. So he will show it to you. Forever is in control. Yes.
Yeah, but which one? I can't see it.
Okay. Can you share your screen, please?
Stop sharing my screen. Yes.
Riman, you have to stop sharing.
Okay. So, till the time I do that.
Sir,
Okay.
when is my turn going to come?
Just about to come in next 5 minutes.
I captain. Did
Okay.
you got my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay.
Okay. So what was your question? Tell me, please.
Where is forever in control?
Okay. Let's click on control. The third one is forever, correct?
This one?
Yes, this one.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome. Okay. All right. Riman, you can share your screen again.
Okay.
Stop sharing. Stop sharing.
No,
Yeah, you have to stop sharing so that Riman can share.
I did it.
you can. Done in all.
You have done it on. Now let's go full screen.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Full screen.
Just 1 second. Let me just finish this one. And now let's click on the green button. Okay. So now what we need to do, Riman, we need to make it better. Okay.
Sir, I thought that you are going to make me do it.
Okay. Riman, do one thing. Just make sure the spacing between letters is now correct. Okay.
Color change करना
All right. And okay, Angad, can you share your screen?
Sir. Green flag આપણે ઓલું લઈએ ને તો કરે છે green flag.
Stop here. Then.
Okay. Yes, Angad, you can share your screen.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me, please.
My color isn't changing.
Okay, I'll come to you also. Let me first look at what Angad is doing.
Okay.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Let Angad share it and then I'll come back to you. Okay.
Just delete that scratch thing. Just delete that scratch thing.
Okay, Angad. So what do you want to do, Angad?
Scratch.
I cannot hear you. You're on mute, Angad.
I'm going to make my record.
Okay. You have to say allow over there. There is an allow button. There is a pop-up. You have to say allow. Just say allow over there. No, you won't be able to record because you're on mute. You have to first unmute yourself and then record it. Okay. Now record.
We make Angad ANGAD.
re-record.
No, I think it is not picking it up.
We
Do it again.
make record. We
My
make
screen is really funny.
ANGAD.
Okay, thank you. Let's stop recording and let's save it.
Then
Okay. So who is the next one who wants to share the screen?
My screen is funny right now.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yes, Sagarika, go ahead. Angad, you have to stop sharing. Let
sir,
Sagarika.
but I have to do some things before it. All right.
Yeah, but you do it and then I'll come back to your screen, okay?
Sound.
My screen looks funny.
Okay.
I'm just laughing at my screen.
Okay, Angad, you have to stop sharing so that others can share it.
Sir, but I have to still do recording because this computer has forgotten. We make Angad ANGAD. Stop recording.
Yes, Angad, you have to now stop sharing so that others can share.
We make Angad ANGAD. Miss, what time hard to do my recording. Re-record I need.
Okay. Sagarika, you want to share?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Can I do it afterwards?
Yeah, not a problem.
Okay.
Yes, Sagarika, waiting
I'm
for
just
you to
laughing
share.
at my screen.
Yeah, I've shared.
Okay. You want to do some coding activity, like some blocks you want to drag and drop?
Okay.
Okay, so what do you want to do?
I don't know.
Okay. All right. So we'll just do one letter. Okay, just pick any one letter as of now.
Okay.
Okay, so we will make sure this S letter, okay, this S letter can dance. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So what we will do, we will go to motion. We'll say turn
Okay.
15 degree, and then we will, yeah, this one. Yeah, turn 15 degree. Then
Okay.
we will go to control.
Okay.
We'll give a wait of 1 second.
After or before?
After that,
Okay.
then we will again go back to looks.
Okay.
And this time go to motion, sorry, again.
Okay.
And this time we will do a turn of -25. Okay.
Okay.
You have to select the other one. Sorry, we have to turn it the other direction now, right?
Okay.
Sir, sir, while she's doing it, I will work on mine.
Okay, please work on your Angad.
Minus.
25.
But had to go on mine.
Okay.
And you can put this all in a forever loop. Go to controls and put it in a forever loop. And now put a green flag on top of it so that when you want to initiate this particular thing, okay?
Okay.
Put a green flag. So this way, for every letter that you have, you can do different things.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Now let me go back to Riemann.
Okay.
Yeah, Riemann, you can. Yeah, sorry. Krish, you want to share?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and share, please.
Rishabh, I can't see your screen.
It will come. Just wait for a second. It will come.
No, I can't.
Sharing my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Not yet.
My screen share on Start sharing my screen.
Yes, Devish, please start sharing your screen.
Doing it, but it's not sharing.
No,
No.
Riemann has started. Okay. Riemann, can you stop sharing? Let Devish has to share his screen.
Oh, share screen button. Yeah. 1 minute.
No problem.
That's the same thing
No.
that happened to me.
Okay, I can see your screen. Earlier I was able to see it. Now I'm just seeing the home screen. Yes, now I
Yeah.
can see it. Yes, this looks good. You're done very well.
I want to make the cream change the color.
Okay, so to change the color, right, you have to put a green flag on the top of it, right? So let's go back to controls. Yeah, event, and yes. Now just stop it. There's a red button. Okay, so it's changing color also now. Okay,
Okay.
right?
One more thing. What can I do in I?
I like you have to imagine what all. One you can do, you can make it grow big or small. Okay,
Can I
but
do like jump up and down?
yes, to jump up and down, what you have to do, you have to first make I go up. Let's select it by mouse, let it go up, and just leave it over there. Then go to the motion block on the left hand side. There is something called as glide.
Here.
Yes, this one. Just the one below that.
I've done that on all of mine.
Glide. Yeah. Just drag and drop it. Okay. Then make your eye come down on the, yes. Now let it come down. Then again drag and drop that glide. The no, the one below it. And put a wait of 1 second. Okay, between these two blocks. And then put all these three blocks in a forever loop. And put a green flag on the top. And now let's see. Now click on the green flag again.
But
Okay.
Yeah,
but my eye is not going up and down.
Your eye is not doing okay. You have to stop sharing now, Krish, so that I can look at Redan's screen. Yes, Redan, you have to share your screen now.
Okay. My eye is not going up and down. I'm
Okay.
trying to make it.
Okay, so to make it go up and down, you first have to go to the motion block. Okay. And there is one thing, glide 1 second, right? Yeah, just drag and drop the one above it, sorry. Not this one. We'll do a random position. Yeah, just drag and drop over there and then click on it. Okay, so your eye will be keep on moving here and there. Okay.
It's like running around.
Yes, it's going to run around. Okay, so if you can stop sharing now.
Okay.
Okay, Riman, I'm coming back to you. Okay.
For every block here. Then looks like you need light. Start sharing my screen.
Who was that? Sorry. Yeah, Riman, you were.
Yeah.
Yeah, Raymond, start sharing.
Okay, sir. Wait 1 second.
Okay, so now what we will do, Raymond, can I get the remote control?
Yeah, you can send. Approve.
Okay, thank you for approving. So let's first go full screen and see how it all looks like, okay? Now we will make it look
The
much better.
A is so big.
All right, so we'll
Look
stop
at
it.
the A.
Let's go back. And for letter A, we will set the size as
Excuse me.
100. Yes,
I again have a problem.
yes, tell me please.
I did the same with the other eye, but it's moving around like Ridhan's eye. I wanted go it up and down the same time
For
with the other eye.
Yeah, for that you need to synchronize it. So that is slightly advanced thing, which you will learn it later on. Okay, all right. So we are just learning
One is
basics
going
today.
up and down like this, and one is going like this.
Yes. So if you want them to go up and down simultaneously at the same time, then we need to synchronize it. We have to do a little bit more of coding over there.
My
Which will
eye hit the R and the R changed sides.
Very
So
good.
it looks like the eye triggered the R to change
I
sides.
did the same thing for the other eye, but it's going up and down. I mean, side
Okay.
and right.
I'll come back to Rivish. Okay. So now we will make it look much better. Okay. So what we will do, let's go back to each and every one, and I'll say in control for everything, I will say wait for some time. So this will wait for 2 seconds. R also wait for 2 seconds. And I'll tell you why we are doing it. Okay. For every letter, we are saying the very first statement would be we have to wait. So we are just adding wait for each one of those.
My screen. Mom, look
So
at
we are
mine.
going to wait.
Look, Mom.
Then we will have a backdrop. So let's take, for example, our backdrop is a jungle. Okay. And we will then have a sprite where we'll say monkey, for example. Do we have monkey? Yes. Okay, so as soon as there is a
Give me his remote controls.
Who was that? This is mine is so funny. Wait, are we adding the backdrops now?
we are what? Yeah, we have added the we are just making a story as such. Okay. So now let's see how it looks like. So when we start, okay, so we will make it much better. When we start, block H is
It doesn't have a backdrop yet.
we have hide, and then we will say show. So when we start, all of these letters should be hidden. So that's why I'm saying we will, when the green button is clicked, then hide the letter and then show them after 2 seconds.
Oh, this backdrop is perfect. I just realized something. When it goes off of D, it actually slows it down. When D is spinning. Okay, let's go to block D. Let's go to block D. D. Block D. Block D is spinning and spinning and spinning forever.
Okay, so there is a jungle, and then we have the Raymond's name. Let's do one more thing.
Did everyone hear a noise?
Okay, there is a monkey which comes, and then the Raymond name pops up. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll share with you guys recording of this. I'll also share with you the instructions how you have to do it. So you all can practice. So now we will again meet on Monday. Okay, so practice over the weekend, Saturday, Sunday. So I'm going to share all the document with you. Anything else before we all disconnect?
Yeah. Over and out.
Okay. All right, then have a good weekend and just practice it. I'll share a document with you. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Second.
Please leave it.